Okay, Mayor, if, yes, as you've said, if Manila will be successful in ousting the president or topple down the Arroyo administration, and you are so bent in having a separate Mindanao Republic, can Mindanao stand independently of the two islands?
We can. It's a question of humanity, reaching out to our Muslim brothers and being frank with them. Kasi wag na yung laro-laruin pa natin ng mag-merge-merge. Kasi yung great divide really is the culture and religion.
Yeah.
Kasi yung religion ng mga kapatid nating Muslim is really based on the Quran. It governs the relation between the individual to his country, to his nation, his relations with his fellow men, with the family, children. It says everything about your existence in this planet. Tayo naman iba yung ano. Kaya natin mga Kristiyanos. We go to schools in Manila. Magkaswerte tayo, maabot tayo doon eh. Then after that, our parents dream of sending us to the United States, to Europe. Tayo naman pagkatapos natin ng class, if you can afford it, gusto ko makita yung Amerika. Yun talaga ang dream natin. But ito naman itong mga kapatid nating mga Muslim. Sila, nag-aaral. And we have been really not so kind to them because we've never provided for their education dito sa governance natin. And Davao, okay lang because we understand. We have the largest network of madrasa here in the entire country dito. Sila, after school, they also dream of going to the Middle East. Mag-aral sila doon sa University of Egypt and in the great schools of the Arab centers of learning. Tayo naman gustong pumunta ng magbakasyon, puntang Israel, gano'n. And sila naman, excuse me, they dream of going to making the Hajj. So yung magkaiba yung laro. Maganda nga kung magkaintindihan tayo dito. Ganon yan ang dimensions dyan. They're not interested going to Washington, D.C. They're interested to go to Saudi Arabia, to Libya. Yun ang kultura nila. Walang pakialam dyan. That is how it is.